This is 500 watt solar generator. Make delivering before payment within Lagos. Delivering to other states attract more logistic fee. These are appliances the solar generator powers, which is fan, television about 60 inches TV, lighting, about 2 fan, about 8 lighting points, home theater, other low energy consumption, charge phone and laptop. For more inquiry. The work is completed, so we are going to drive the system, like to turn it on to see what it takes. So here are the load. This is about 65 inches TV, 65 inches LED smart TV. Then these are the solar fan. Those ceiling fan are solar energy, low energy consumption fan, about 15 to 20 watts fan. This is the solar fan, which does not consume much energy. This is another one as well in the room. These are the 5 watts bulb. If you find this video helpful, you can just feel free to message us to make some inquiry that you would like to know much about the system, and definitely will give you answer. So if you are really serious, I will give you appointment date on when to come and make your own installation. We also take delivering before payment within Lagos State.